Here's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Twin-turbo V6 engine, Airmatic height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, smartphone wireless charging, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.